So today is the first class for PLC part. Okay. So here observe this one. These are the features which is already discussed. Programming language. Now we want to go to work with block. Before going to start the PLSQL, first we want to understand what is block. What is block? How it is work. Okay. So here observe this one. If you want to write a query in select means SQL prompt, we should use the select statement, right? We want to understand some basic commands. Based on that commands, we can possible to write a select statements or any statement in SQL prompt. So we want to understand DML statements, we want to understand DDL statements, we want to understand TCL statement. Each and every statement we want to understand, then only we can possible to write any single statement in SQL prompt. But while coming to PLSQL, if you want to write any PLSQL program, first of all we should understand a block. What is this block? How it is work? Okay. Here very simple. That let us say I will explain to you. Available here. Declaration session. It is one of the session which is used to declare variables, cursors, exceptions, and so on. Okay. So at the time of developing a program, you can easily understand what are the cursors, what are the exceptions, how we are going to declare, right? Then it is a optional. And coming to execution session, it is one of the session which is used to write a programming coding or logic. It is a mandatory session. And coming to exception, it is one of the session which is used to handle the errors at runtime. We want to execute the program, means nothing but a runtime. Is there any error is occurred? That error will be handled into the exception session. Okay, and it is also optional. Okay, fine. Then next, again here there are two types of blocks supported by PLSQL. So anonymous block. These blocks does not have a name and also not stored in database. Does not stored in database. Clear? Now I want to execute this simple message in our SQL prompt. Okay, let us say we want to open the SQL prompt. So here we can give the credentials, VS. Yeah. So now I want to clear the screen. So first I want to generate a file for you for every practice or for every classroom session. Okay. So just I want to generate a match. Now it is created. Okay. So which is I am writing here, the same will be available in our mail. Okay, I am sending this one also. Now I want to clear that again. So now first of all I want to set the environment while using set command. I want to set pages 50 and set lines. Now we can check it. Select start from EM, right? So for the checking purpose only, just. Now I want to go to work with anonymous block. Okay. So here, how we can start the anonymous block? Very simple. Just we can write the begin. Anonymous block always will be executed within begin end block. Okay. We don't have any name. I don't want to write any create or whatever it may be. Just I want to execute a statement in my SQL prompt. Okay. Begin. Then now I am going to write it dbms output dot put line. Okay. That is a package I am using. Now I am going to write welcome to. Then here I am writing as something message. Online.com. Now I can end. I can close the program. I can start the program and I can execute the statement. I can close the program. Now choose the backslash system issue as PLSQL procedure successfully completed, but system does not return a message. So for that purpose we want to set one more environment, set server output on. Set server output on. This is the another environment variable which is return the output of our program. Okay. Now again I am execute the same program. System issues. Here we are getting the output. Earlier we didn't get that. For this execution we are getting the same output. Right. Suppose say example here. I want to write something design. I want to do some design for this program. So here output dot put line. Then again I want to specify that. Now I can close the program. Now we execute that one and we'll be getting. So we didn't specify any name for this program, right? Just I am writing a simple query. So based on that I will be return a simple message. So how I can return the message here? So interview point out there asking the question is how we can go to print the message in PLSQL by using dbms output.outline. Clear? So this is the way we are working with the anonymous block. Anonymous block. Clear on that, all of you? So the next session will be go to work with